Having trouble installing the Windows 11 KB5034765 update? Many users face errors, failed downloads, or endless loops. Stick around as we break down the cause and how to fix it. Press the Windows button, type Disk Cleanup, and open it. Select the drive where Windows is installed, usually C, then click OK. Wait for it to calculate removable files, then check all boxes. Click Cleanup System Files for a deeper cleanup. Once complete, restart your PC and try installing the update again. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. If you don't see the folder, go to View Show Hidden Items. Locate $WinREAgent, then press Shift+Delete to remove it permanently. Restart your PC and attempt the update again. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.